Hey guys, today we'll be showing you our slime. Oh shoot! No, don't fall down. Don't you. Sorry, I threw it across the table.
But it didn't fall off.
Got it. Okay.
So he's gonna go first since it's on his channel.
Yes, exactly.
And then I'm gonna go on mine after him. So
Okay. The first one. We have so many Ziploc bags. It's unbelievable. Look.
I made a
Look. Give me all the Ziploc bags.
No.
No. Look. It's unbelievable. Just put them right here.
Look at my
It's
slime.
unbelievable.
Look at
Like
my
we
slime.
have so many.
My slime.
Okay.
I have a tons of slime.
If you took one, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Okay, I
Okay.
made more slime since he was not here when I made them.
Yeah, exactly. The first one is my clear glitter slime. It's silver. But they're really rough because they came into the... Ooh, this feels nice. It feels nice. Okay, this is my clear glitter slime. It's got a piece of hair in it. It's long hair.
Stop!
I don't have as long as hair she has. Okay, the second one is the tiniest one I made. This one. I don't know how this came out. I tried my clear slime, but it failed horribly. Oh man. I'm trying to do something. Okay, that's my second slime. That's my second slime. Wait, which one did I show? Okay, the ones that I showed I'm putting right there. The third one is my clear slime. It's bouncy. Look.
Really?
Yeah, it's very
bouncy
big. The rougher they are, the bouncy they are. Look. Wait. It doesn't want to connect. Wait. Technical difficulties.
And if our cousins watching this, they'll know that we're in my house. Of course they will know, because they know my house.
Mm-hmm. And we're cousins, if you guys didn't know.
Yeah, and when John wants to make slime, he has to come to this house.
Yeah, exactly.
Because this is a slime house.
This is not the fun house. My house is the fun house.
Yeah.
Again!
Is your slime
Okay,
done?
it just does not want to
Is
connect
your slime
together.
done now?
Wait.
Or do you have two
No,
more?
I have 2 more. Wait. See, I told you.
Uh-oh.
But this one just gets shredded.